In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to gain insights into your marketing efforts, track sales, or analyze overall business performance, crafting a custom report can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, let's access the custom report builder. Open your HubSpot account and navigate to the reporting section. Once you're there, look for the reports option. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Report. This is your gateway to building a tailored report that meets your specific needs. Go ahead and click on it, and then select Custom Report Builder. This tool provides the flexibility and power to create reports that are genuinely informative and tailored to your unique requirements. Now that we're in the Custom Report Builder, it's time to choose your data sources. Here you have two paths you can follow. The first option is to choose your own data sources. This allows you to be very specific and select primary and secondary data sources from a variety of HubSpot objects, such as contacts, companies, deals, and more. This option is perfect if you know exactly which data sets you'd need to draw from. On the other hand, if you prefer a head start, you can begin with a pre-built dataset. This provides a solid foundation and can be adjusted and customized as necessary. If you decide to go with the Choose My Own Data Sources route, start by selecting a primary data source. Next, you can add secondary data sources to create a more comprehensive view by bridging related information. Once your data sources are selected, it's time to configure your report. Begin with the Fields section, where you'll add properties that you want to include in your report. These are selected from the available options. They will form the backbone of your report, so choose wisely to ensure you capture the most relevant information. After setting your fields, let's move on to filters. The Filters tab helps you narrow down your data based on specific criteria. This is where you can truly customize the report to fit your needs. Be sure to think about the data points that matter most to you or your team. Lastly, dive into the visualization options. Here, you can choose a chart type, whether it's a bar chart, line chart, or table, and configure its settings such as display options and time intervals. This step determines how your data will be presented visually, making it easier to understand at a glance. Finally, after carefully building your report, don't forget to save it. Simply click Save and give your report a descriptive name. This will help you and others quickly identify the purpose of the report in the future. Your custom report is now saved and ready to be accessed anytime from your list of saved reports. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create insightful custom reports in HubSpot.